We'll be teaching you how to graph linear equations. We'll be showing you how to graph the slope of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. This is the slope formula, or y equals mx plus b form. M equals the slope and b equals the y-intercept. Parallel lines have the exact same slope as the original equation. Perpendicular lines have the negative reciprocal of the original slope. This is the first example of parallel lines. Notice how both slopes have the exact same slopes. This is an example of perpendicular lines. Notice how the slope for the perpendicular line is a negative reciprocal of the original. This is a real-world example of parallel lines. Notice how when in a skyscraper building, the two windows are vertically the same. Notice they are parallel. This is a real-world example of a perpendicular line. Notice this is an intersection, a busy intersection where the two roads cross each other as a perpendicular line does. This is a higher order thinking question. The first question is, what is the slope that is parallel to the slope of -5? Number two, what is the slope that is perpendicular to the slope of -5? Here are the answers. The answer, because of this perpendicular line, number one, would keep the same slope as -5. And number two would, since it is a perpendicular line, would have the negative reciprocal of -5, which will give you 1/5. Then